Today we're gonna explore the tiny country number 99, Liechtenstein. I think that's how you say it. I'm not sure. From deep in the middle of Germany. Well, not really in the middle, but you get a point. We're gonna try to make, I'm gonna butcher this, Käsknöpfle. Käsknöpfle? I sound like I had a stroke. Anyway, pronounced like this.
Käsknöpfle.
Yeah, so that's what we're making today. Basically what it is simple pasta with caramelized onions and cheese. It sounds amazing, to be honest. It sounds really good, so I'm really excited for this. I'm gonna gather the ingredients and we're gonna start. We're gonna start by caramelizing some onions. Something that I haven't really done in a very long time, and well, I did some research and apparently it's just fried onion, like a lot more than normal until it gets brown. So let's try to do that now. We're gonna need a chopping board, a knife, and of course plenty of onion. So I have here two fairly large onions, which I'm gonna cut in strips. So I'm just gonna get rid of the ends here, and I'm just gonna cut quite big strips, like 1 centimeter strips. Now to the frying pan. Now at the stove we're gonna put a pot. I need light. Way better. So we're gonna have a pot with water that's gonna boil. That's gonna have plenty of salt. We're gonna need it for when we're gonna boil the pasta, so I'm just gonna put it from now to be there. And now we take a frying pan, put in some oil, quite a decent amount actually, heat it up. That's better. Now we need to warm up the oil. Okay, now that the oil is warming up, we can add our onion. Slowly. Okay, so the oil wasn't hot enough. It's not a big deal though, but still. The oil should be hot when you're adding them. We're gonna add some salt to dehydrate a bit the onions. We're gonna break them a bit apart and mix them around with the salt. So from what I researched, first of all they're going to soften, then they're going to start, the sugars are going to start to caramelize and turn brown. We'll see if that actually happens. Okay, so while the onions are frying in the background, we're going to need to take care of the dough. So for that, we're going to need flour, which we're going to salt a bit and then make a well in the middle, mix in the salt a bit. Let's see. That. In goes 2 eggs. And some warm water. I don't know how much. I'm just gonna start with that and see where we're getting. So the dough should be a smooth, liquidy dough. Oh, okay, it's gonna need a lot more water than that. This is gonna be a workout. We need to beat the hell out of it because it needs to be airy. This is a workout. Don't forget to stir in the onions as well because they're gonna burn. Back the door. I'm legit sweating at this moment. Oh, this is I don't have words anymore. That's it. No more mixing for me. I'm tired. I'm sweating. This was a workout. I think it's a good enough consistency. I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm tired. I need a beer. Now I understand why Germans drink a lot of beer. If that's how they make food, you definitely need the calories. I swear to that. That's non-alcoholic beer, just to be clear. Now that the dough is done, we're gonna move the party to the stove. So the onions have softened, definitely. They start to get a bit of color. It's gonna take a long time until they get properly done. Now, we have a problem. There is a full-on contraption that I need to have in order to make these. Let me show you. So basically what I need this to put the dough in. I don't have such thing. I somehow need to improvise that. Oh god, this is more complicated than I thought. This is way more complicated. Hold on, I need to improvise something. So I kind of figured it out. I kind of have a plan. So I have this. This is a steaming. I'm gonna show you here. So this is a steaming tray or something like that. But I noticed the holes are quite similar to the original board. So I'm assuming it's gonna go well. And then my plan is to put some dough in this tiny container, flip it, and just move it around. Hopefully that will work and I'm not gonna make more mess in the kitchen. Okay, so the water is almost boiling. I'm impatient, so I'm just gonna try my contraption to see if it's working. So here we go. Wish me luck. Yeah. Is it going down? Kinda. Is it actually dripping or? I can't see. Okay. I'm not sure if it's working or not, because it doesn't really drip through. Kind of goes. I think the batter needs to be a bit more wet. I don't know. I have no idea what's going on. Am I going out? No, no, I'm going out of the pot. Oh no. Oh no. I have a few. Oh, damn it. What do I do now? Wait. No. They look nice. Wait. I think I need to take them out. No? They said to take them out when they're floating, but I don't. Where do I put them? Wait. Panic mode. Panic mode. What? Ow. Okay. Hey! It's working! Ish! Kinda. Not completely, not entirely, but it's working. Hey! It worked better. It's better. Definitely more messier, but better. Jesus, I'm making a mess. This is the cheese incident all over again. Worm! Oh, it's squirting. Oh, damn it! I put it on the floor. Ah! Stop squirting on me! Stop peeing on me! No! Ah, no! Now is actually time for plating. Here I just chopped up some cheese. I have Emmentaler and Gouda, and I chop it up because for the life of me I can't find the cheese grater. But yeah, let's plate this one. Now, to plate this, we're gonna take a big ass spoon and put, not like this, I'm making more of a mess. Sure. Put some cheese on it. Hopefully it's hot enough to melt. Give it a mix. You know what I forgot? Damn it. I completely forgot pepper. Now, a bit of caramelized onions in the middle. And this is it. To be honest, it actually looks incredible. Now, how does it taste? That's my question. I want to get a bit of everything. Like that. It's actually really good. It's awesome. It's awesome. Oh, this is amazing. Any more? That onion is it's just. I need to eat this. Talk later. Okay. This was amazing, to be honest. In fact, it was so good that I forgot to take pictures for a thumbnail or b-rolls or anything. So anyway, it was amazing. You should try it. Recipe is down below in the description. I used the plainest recipe I could find. Actually, as I said, I just looked at several recipes and I took the pure basics so that we go to the origins in a way. It was amazing, to be honest. It needs a bit of tweaking. I mean, I would add a bit of salty cheese, for example, instead of Gouda, and I would put some chives maybe in it. I would experiment with a bit of herbs and a bit of color too, but other than that, it was just amazing. It was really good, and I do recommend it. I recommend you to try it. It's simple, easy, and the only downside is actually that you need that device or improvise something. I think it can work if you take one of these. If you make the dough a bit runnier and use one of these, I don't know how they're called. It's special with holes. I don't know. If you take one of these, you might do it. You might be able to do it. I don't know. You can experiment. You can try, but definitely try it out. It's incredible. It's just go for it. Thanks for watching. See ya. Now I have to clean this mess now. This is gonna take a while. Bye.